Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have to u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 3s squared. Next, because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative go to the left. This one that is about number 9. This one that is about number 3. So we need to multiply both sides by number 3. And now we have like this. The square root we change by u. 9s squared ds we change by this one. So u divided by u we cancel. This one we have negative 6u, and I will put about c. About u that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.